Starting with the first question, x squared minus 6x minus 30 is greater than negative 3. The first thing we have to do is to make sure the right hand side is always 0. So let's get rid of minus 3. So it's going to be x squared minus 6x minus 30 plus 3 is greater than 0. Simplifying, x squared minus 6x minus 27 is greater than 0. Factoring the result using two brackets, x and x. The two numbers are negative 9 and positive 3. Reminding that you can use mod 5.3 on the calculator. Okay, finding the zeros. So from here x equal 9, from here x equal negative 3. Next we create a sign chart, or what we call it, the number line. And listing the numbers in order. So negative 3 and positive 9. I need to know the signs in every interval. We have 3 intervals, from negative infinity to negative 3, and the second interval from negative 3 to 9, and the third interval from 9 to positive infinity. I'm going to choose any number in this interval. Let's say I'm going to choose negative 4. Replacing to know the signs. So I'm going to do it here. Negative 4 minus 9, negative 4 plus 3 is going to be negative 13 and negative 1. When you multiply them, the sign is positive. Between negative 3 and 9, let's say I'm going to take 0. So 0 minus 9, 0 plus 3 is going to be negative 9 multiplied by 3, which is negative. So the sign here is negative. Similarly, the sign in the third one must be positive. You can check it. Okay, what is the solution? I take the negative or positive. It depends on this. Greater than 0, it means positive. So our solution is the positive signs. So the solution is 1 and 2. So from negative infinity to negative 3, union from 9 to positive infinity. The second question, I chose x squared plus 5x plus 8 to show you some special case. If we solve x squared plus 5x plus 8 cannot be, meaning there is no numbers, there are no numbers according to plus 8 and plus 5, or if you are using mod 5.3, you cannot find answer, or the answer is in terms of I, meaning there is no solution for this question. In this case, we have two options. Either it's always positive or it's always negative. How do you know? We choose any number and replace. Let's say I'm gonna choose 0. When you replace, it's gonna be 0 to the power of 2 plus 5 into 0 plus 8, and the answer is 8, which is positive. But according to our question, we need the negative signs. In this case, we say no solution, or this symbol we call it 5, which is the empty set. It means no solution. Part B, the same question, but I need greater than or equal to 0. According to the result, 8, which is always positive. So we have two choices, greater than 0 or equal to 0. It's already greater than 0. It means the solution is from negative infinity to positive infinity. The third question is x2 minus 2x minus 15 less than or equal negative 16. As we mentioned, we're gonna get rid of minus 16. So x2 minus 2x minus 15 plus 16 less than or equal to 0. Simplifying, x squared minus 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 0. Factoring, gonna give you x minus 1 to the power of 2, or x minus 1 into another x minus 1, the same, less than or equal to 0. If you want to test it, it is always positive. Why? Because bracket to the power of 2, whatever you replace, make it to the power of 2 is going to be positive. Or choose any number, let's say 0. So 0 minus 1 to the power of 2 is 1, which is always positive. But according to this, we need the negatives only, or equal to 0. No negatives, it means no solution, but there is or equal. So we choose the solution where it is equal to 0, and it is equal to 0 when x equal 1. So the only solution is x equal 1. We write it as bracket and we put the 1 inside. The last number as a fraction, rational inequality. So the same steps, we get rid of 3 to the other side. Then we're gonna have x squared minus x minus 11 divided by x minus 2 minus 3 less than or equal to 0. We have fraction. We're gonna make same denominator by multiplying here by x minus 2. Then x squared minus x minus 11 divided by x minus 2 minus 3 multiplied by x minus 2 over x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. We have same denominator now, x minus 2. Simplifying, x squared minus x minus 11 and multiplying the negative 3 by the bracket. We're gonna have minus 3x plus 6 less than or equal to 0. Simplify again, x squared minus 3x minus x and minus 3x minus 4x minus 11 and plus 6 is negative 5. Divide by x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. Factoring in numerator and the two numbers are x and x, negative 5 and plus 1. Solving x minus 5 equal to 0, we're gonna get x equal 5. Solving x plus 1 equal to 0, then x equal negative 1. Since x minus 2 is in the denominator, then it shouldn't be 0. Then x shouldn't be 2. Create the sign chart. From negative infinity, the least is negative 1, and then positive 2, and then positive 5. We have 4 regions to be tested. The first region to the left less than -1, I'm gonna choose -2. Replace -2 minus 5, -2 plus 1 divided by -2 minus 2. So this is negative, negative, and divided by negative, so the sign is negative. Similarly, checking for all the regions, I'm gonna find this positive, negative, positive. Which sign we choose according to the inequality? The negatives, and the negatives are here and here. So the solution is from negative infinity to -1, union from 2 to +5. According to the parentheses closed or open, just take care about this. At x equal 2, don't close it because it's in the denominator. So add 2, open bracket, otherwise closed bracket, and at infinity, definitely it's open bracket.